Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the file or directory is corrupted and unreadable and the location is not available in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Now you need to change this n to your drive letter. In my case, my problematic drive letter is height. You just need to change the n to your problematic drive letter. After changing it, just copy this command, include this, and after copying it, tap the bar, right click, eject, and paste it in, and press enter. After finishing this command, you just need to close stuff here. Now you can open the drive without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.